Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Sea of Star on PC or laptop. So to download and install Sea of Star on PC or laptop, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing, in order to access the game, you have to install Steam on your device. So for that, open up your browser. On the search box, go ahead and type in steampower.com. That's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So here, go ahead and press the install Steam button from the top right hand side corner. So the installation process is very simple. Just follow the prompt and you'll be able to install it. And when you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account as well. So provide any information that has been asked and then verify your account as well. And when you're done creating your account, log in and go to stores. When you go to stores, here you need to go ahead and tap on the search box and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Sea of Star. When you locate the following game, then go ahead and press the game, and here you'll be able to see all of the information and description, all of that. Go through it and click on add to cart. When you've added the product to your cart, go ahead and press on view my cart. It's going to take you to the checkout procedure where you have to go ahead and enter in your payment method and all that. And that's basically how you can go ahead and install and download the Sea of Star on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.